Hi, Rex again from Affordable Street Rods with an update on the 72 ASR Nova project. As we mentioned earlier, our goal with this car is to make it more user-friendly, make the driving experience more fun and more enjoyable. So one of the things that we need to address on this car is power steering. The car was born with manual steering, and with the big block, that's a little bit of an issue. So we'd like to upgrade to power steering. On our Vintage Era front drive that we installed on the engine, that kit came with power steering, so it includes the Detroit Speed power steering pump, which does not work very well with a manual steering box that was born in the car. So to upgrade the power steering box, we turned to our good friends at Borgeson Universal. So they sent us this power steering box, part number 800130. It's their muscle car replacement power steering box. Pretty simple, straightforward bolt-in. We'll use our original equipment pitman arm that's already in the car. We'll just install it on this box. To connect to the steering column, we're using this half rag joint. So this half rag joint is the bottom half of a typical rag joint that you'd find in the car. So we'll disassemble that. This fella fits on the input shaft of our new steering box, and the top half of the OEM factory rag joint bolts to the top half of this. So that attaches it mechanically. And then once this is installed and the engine's back in the car, we'll plumb from the pressure and return port here back to the Detroit Speed power steering pump. So pretty simple, straightforward installation, not a lot of money. Give us a call. For the price of this guy, your arms will thank you as you drive this thing. So give us a call or check us out on the web at affordablestreetrods.com.